Right, boss. Just wanted to. I'm going to email these across to you now. If you need me to colour code these anymore as well, I will do. But these are the schedules that we went over, and I will kind of see the days running. I was just thinking as I was putting these together, I've put an alternative setup for these as well. This is our standard pre-season, and I've just done the colour tags at the top. So blues would be a standard steady day, like a -4, if you will. Tuesday would be your red days, your development days, where you do obviously higher load and some more live team stuff, higher intensity, and the green days would be off days or extras days, depending on where you are. Um, what I don't think of here is that this might also be an alternative structure that you might want to have a think about as well. Now, this is I've just turned to the triple loading week. Now, instead of having the two, which would be Tuesday, Friday, in on the last instance on the double loading weeks, is have a 3 week loading strategy. That way, that you get 6 sessions rather than the four, where you get to go pretty high intensity. The trade off is obviously that if you go hard on one day, the following day is a day off. So it's kind of how much content that you think you can get into those 6 sessions. Now again, you can front load these sessions with some more um, skill type stuff, steady skill, teach, and then backload the sessions with some intense stuff. The other way that you would do it, you would just do more volume on field. I would probably go against that one and just try and load up as be as intense as you can. There's obviously ways that we can manipulate the drills. There's ways that we can structure the drills to keep the intensity high throughout the session as well when we're doing that. But this is would possibly an alternative. So you've got Monday, bigger day. Wednesday would be a decent, would be a big day, 90 minutes on feet or close to. Tuesday, Thursday would be off. Friday would then be a slower day, maybe where you would just put some HD attack structures in place, retouch on one of those. Then I kind of saw the Saturday then of just recapping what you've done on the Friday, then going live and then going into your day off on a Sunday, and then following the same process on a Monday. Then can we only get 2 weeks at this? And I was kind of thinking this might be a good way of cramming a little bit more content and a little bit more intensity into the week. So instead of going from the 4 big days on this one, I know you get the 2 slower days and the 3 slower days. 'Cause obviously you want them in on Saturday as well, but you get the 6, and you get the 6 big days here, and you're only getting the 1 steady day. So have a little think about that. I'm gonna email this across to you, and I'll send the schedules over. Again, if you need me to colour code any of these, or you're not thinking it's clear enough, you want me to add the 9:45s, 9:15s in there just to make it a little bit more clearer, then just give us a nudge.